Imagine for a minute that you're starting up a new plant or have a large capital project. Imagine if you put best practices in place around maintenance and reliability from day one. LCE has what we call a pre-startup strategy. It's a 3-step process. Step 1 being building those maintenance strategies that are needed to maintain the assets, not only during startup, but for long term. Ensuring that the reliability of the plant is in place as quickly as possible in order to have that smooth startup going through commissioning and so on. The next step is around process development and staffing. It's important to look at your work management processes, getting those in place, materials management, how are you going to handle your spare parts, the reliability engineering side of things, how are you going to do root cause analysis, failure mode effects analysis, and so on. Looking at the operations side of things as well, trying to create operator-driven reliability so that you're creating a pool for reliability from the operations side of the house, as well as staffing needs. What's the number of technicians and expertise that you're going to need? What are the areas of coverage? What are the shift schedules? Training requirements? Short and long-term budget needs? All of those things being very important to a smooth startup. The third step we believe is critical is education, training, and coaching. LCE has many courses for managers, supervisors, planners, reliability engineers, all across the board. And after they go through that training, one of the most important things is that they're able to apply the learning, so we oftentimes provide one-on-one coaching. I'm Randy Heisler, Vertical Lead for Metals and Power Generation. Thanks for listening.